Good morning to one and all. Welcome to my presentation. I am Mrs. B. Maragadan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management Studies, Sastra Greenfield University, SRC, Kunduga. I am going to present about the topic financial planning. The course content include the introduction part, meaning of financial planning, objectives of financial planning, and factors influencing financial planning. Finance is the lifeblood of a business. Hence, finance function is very important for the smooth and successful operation of a business. It is mainly concerned with the economic procurement and efficient utilization of funds. In order to achieve these goals, sound financial planning is necessary. Financial planning is the process of estimating the amount of capital to be raised, determining the type, proportion as well as the timing of securities to be issued, and laying down the policies and procedures for the administration of the plan. The financial plan is an estimate of the amount of capital and its composition. It should be prepared in the light of the present and future developments. Now let me see the objectives of financial planning. The major objectives of financial planning are: first one, to determine the financial resources required for meeting fixed capital and working capital needs. Second one, to decide an appropriate mix of debt and equity which will maximize shareholders' wealth. And third objective, to develop plans to secure necessary funds from external sources at the minimum possible cost. Next one, to formulate programs to provide the most effective cost-volume profit relationships. And last one, to analyze financial results and report to the top management. Now let me see the factors influencing financial planning. The major factors to be considered carefully in financial planning are: first one, nature of industry. Industries vary widely in their nature. There are huge differences in capital outlay, stability of earnings, asset structure, technology, etc. Therefore, the financial plan depends upon the nature of industry. The second factor, the general economic environment. The general economic environment plays an important role in financial planning. If the economic conditions are favorable, funds can be raised without difficulty. On the other hand, during tough times, raising of resources would be difficult. And the third objective, plans for expansion and diversification. The company should keep in mind its future plans for expansion and diversification. If the company has ambitious plans for expansion, then it is advisable to strengthen its equity through retention of profits. Then, the sources of funds and their cost, the fourth objective. There are many sources of finance. Finance planning calls for the careful consideration of various sources and their costs. The sources may be long-term or short-term. Then the next objective is the reputation of a firm. The reputation of a firm is an important factor of financial planning. If the company enjoys investor confidence and goodwill, then the company can easily raise funds. Raising of funds may not be a big challenge for those firms. Then the last objective is the government policies. Government policies regarding foreign capital, issues of shares, term loans, dividend payment, etc. have also an influence on the financial planning of the company. Thank you.